Good morning, everybody. Good morning. All right. Yeah. Bonjour. Yeah. Really is a gift to gather together, especially during this Easter season. And the Easter season is really a time of renewal. It reminds us of renewal and hope and new life. And so, in that spirit, we come together not just as individuals, but as a community.
This day is a day for listening, for renewal, a day for hope, for joy. And so the topic, obviously, we know we are here to talk about marriage, the vocation of marriage. And so it is our workshop on the Marriage Catechumenate. And as we know, as marriage in its form of formation and how we prepare and form for marriage doesn't just begin when a couple is engaged, but it's a lifelong journey.
And so, with the publication of Catechumenal Pathways, the Church is asking us to re-envision what this royal road to marriage looks like by walking alongside the couples who prepare for the sacrament, as well as the couples who are struggling in the sacrament, and those young people who are being formed for their future vocation to the sacrament. Because I do believe that this document, in giving us more concrete and more fleshed out guidelines for accompanying our couples towards marriage, is a truly inspired vision of how we should be doing things. And it can be a key to a renewal of marriages, which will lead to a renewal of families, which will lead to a renewal of our church. And we do need that. And the Holy Spirit wants it of us. The Holy Spirit is asking this of the church, of the entire universal church.
When young people are given space, when they're listened to, when they are accompanied rather than managed, they respond, and they respond real well. They begin to see that they're made for more. They're made for love that is faithful, self-giving, and lasting. Why? It's because they're being given that at the church communities that they're in. Right? And this matters because the young people we accompany today will be the future priests, the religious, the husbands, the wives, right, and the families tomorrow.